Update out here at IJT Racing. Camaro's still up on the lift. S10 has been started. You can see we're running it off just the jug. Still got no interior, bunch of wiring stuff in there. But she runs under her own power. Camaro on the lift has a trans leak coming out of the dipstick. Not a big deal. Hold on. You can see we've ripped some stuff out. Gonna put a Pro Charger right there. The Pro Charger had to get sent off to Pro Charger because since I bought it on Marketplace, it wasn't the right direction spin. Still got the blow-off valve and some tubes over here. This box is full of tubes. That's fan shroud. Got a lot to do, not a lot of time. Max is ready to play ball.